Did you know?
Did you know that there are more than 1,000 types of cheese that are produced in different countries? Cheese comes in many colors, shapes, sizes, and smells. Some of the most popular types of cheese are mozzarella, parmesan, cheddar, gouda, Swiss cheese, brie, camembert, feta, edam, blue cheese, and cottage cheese. Cheese is a dairy product derived from usually the milk of cows, buffaloes, goats, or sheep. A fun fact about cheese is that it was discovered by accident. It is said that more than 7,000 years ago, ancient people used to store food in the skins and inflated internal organs of animals. This storage container made from an animal's stomach caused the milk to turn into curds and whey. Because of the bacteria rennet from the stomach that curdles milk. Cheese is more compact and can be stored longer than milk. All cheese has a natural white, off-white, or golden yellow color, depending on the type of milk used. Cheddar cheese gets its orange color from the tasteless annatto seed that has been added. Different types of spices, herbs, or wood smoke are used as flavoring agents. Cheese is one of the most popular flavors of popcorn. And if you're wondering what the world's favorite sandwich filling is, well, what do you think? Plain cheese is hard to beat. So, now you know.